What's up? Going for a test drive this 1979 Chevy Corvette, side pipes 350. We've got power brakes on this one. Looks like power steering up under there. Aluminum radiator, electric fans. And so far, just pulling it out of its parking spot over there, I like this one. T-tops. Pretty cool looking ride. Detailed pictures, financing, and shipping. It's all available at maplemotors.com. Be sure to go to that website. Let me know what you think about this ride in the comments. For now, it's about that time. Let's go for a ride. Before we take off, look around the interior. And guys, this noise that you're hearing is a fan that I have, and it's blowing straight up my shirt. You can buy these fans online in the description below. They're awesome. I do recommend them if you're out in the heat all the time. It's literally keeping me dry on my shirt, at least. Now, you've got some floppy spots. This is kind of down a little bit. The window, but not working at all. Another reason I am thanking myself for bringing this fan. My wife actually got it for me. I guess I should be thanking her, right? Looking around the interior. T-top needs some covers on them. Start it up. She's loud. She sounds good. Tach's not working. Showing 83,000 miles. Let's try the wipers. Wipers are not working. It needs some love. Radio. Radio's working. Doesn't sound that great. It's working. Blower motor. Of course, no AC. I don't believe it's working on the blower motor either. Clock's working. Gas gauge is working. Waiting on the temp to come up. Great oil pressure. And we're charging. Turn signals. Yeah, popping up in the middle. On both sides. Now place those bets. Do you think the horn works? Telescoping. Is that working? Nope. Tilt. Tilt works. Horn, what do you think? Nope, not hooked up. I was gonna guess that. All right, let's hit the road, see what else we can find. All right, guys, we're gonna take off here. I tell you what, that sucks that the window's not rolling down, but at least it's not a scorcher. It's humid, but it's not a scorcher outside. Brake light. Well, the brake is stuck. See if I can get it to disengage. There we go. Now the brake light's off. Gotta have that button pushed in. So yeah, to disengage, you gotta pull out and push down. Something's a little funky on the emergency brake there. Go ahead and roll out of here. Seatbelt's not quite big enough. It's kind of short. I'm 200 pounds. The seatbelt's tight. Oh no, it's not tight. It's bound up. There we go. Yeah, we got to ride with the window up. Here we go. Deal. This is the first time I've driven this one. Let's see what happens. Coming on down the road. Speedo's working. Nice tight steering. Straight as an arrow. Front end's picking up, and when I let off, it kind of catches back in. You see that? Still pretty tight overall. Hitting those brakes. A little bit of a pull when I hit the brakes. Oh, it's gone now. I think it was some dust on the brakes. front end pickup. Yeah, brakes feel good. Okay. Looks like our tack is messed up. It's just pinned all the way out. The speedo's working though. Well, we don't have to get gas today. I guess we're just gonna roll through just cuz. All right, let's go ahead and light up the undercarriage. We'll check everything from headlights to taillights, and then chips, scratches, flaws coming your way. Guys, here we go, rolling out. Here's reverse for us. That guy is real courteous. Every time he sees me over here, he'll wait until I'm done before he starts mowing. I was like, go for it, man, I'll move out of your way. He's just trying to get his job done just like me. So here we go, heading on back to the lot. Peppy Corvette. This one here runs pretty good, guys. this. I have been paying attention. It's not overheating. I'm not having any issues like that. All right, I got to go ahead and get pulled in over here, handle some business over here. I'm going to go ahead and skip over to picking out the flaws. We're looking for chips, scratches, rusted dents. And if you haven't stuck around to the end, that's one of the best parts of the video. That way you can go over everything and know everything before you get here, before this arrives to your house, however you want to handle it. Guys, thank you, and I'll see you later. All right, let's walk this ride. Anything I find, you'll know about it. Coming around the front end, little spot there. Got some chips up front, little bugs. Little bugs there. Spot in the nose, chip there. Spot over here in the corner with cracks in the front bumper. Lines up the side. Chips right there in the headlight. Up here as well. A chip there. Spots there, chips on the back. Chip here in the corner. Chip over here in the T-top, right there in the back. Chips there, here in the back. Scuff on the edge. Chip here. There's cracks in the tire there. Old tires, I assume. Cracks on the edges. Slight little scuff in the edge here. Chips here. Chips up in the corner. Little crack here. Spot there. Scuff in the back. Like scratches on that back window. Scuffs over here on the side. A bit of pitting on your door handle. Touch-up mark. Chip there. Chip here. There's one there and one there. We've already seen that marked by the light. Let's go ahead and check out that interior. chips here in the corner. Over on the side. Little marks in the seat. The sun's faded it a little bit in the back here. Got some aftermarket speakers. Missing the covers for the T-tops. I know that fan's a little loud, but man, it works so well. Just being able to have a breeze going when you're sitting still. There we go. Shut. Somebody's gonna say I was too rough on it. The thing wouldn't shut. Come on. Missing a little knob for your wipers and for the radio controls. There's one guy last week, Pops told me. I said it in another video too. He said, you wouldn't be treating these cars that way if you owned them. Who do you think owns them? We all own them. We're all family. It's a family business. I've been here 21 years. I'm buying with them. Half of them. Most of the time I'm here videoing it for you. But yeah, we're all family. We own the cars. They are mine. So if you don't believe me, call the lot. All right, we're gonna start this up. Temp gauge never came up on this one. Neither did that tack. This car sounds great. Hey, one thing you gotta watch out on these. I learned my lesson a long time ago. You'll burn your leg on that. They make covers for it, but the covers just don't look as cool. But yeah, step out far. Get your leg away from that. It's hot. These are electric now and they work good. Shut's good too. Guys, thank you for watching. We're going to go ahead and head back to the lot. Detailed pictures, financing, and shipping, it's all available at maplemotors.com. I'll see you in the next one. Later, guys.